Choosing the right tennis racket can greatly improve your performance on the court. Modern rackets feature lightweight frames, larger sweet spots, and advanced materials for better power, spin, and control. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best tennis rackets that offer excellent performance for players of all levels. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Head Tie Conquest Tennis Racket. Designed to support developing players with comfort and confidence, this racket delivers an easy and forgiving playing experience that makes learning and improving feel more natural. Its lightweight construction allows smooth and effortless swings, helping players react quicker and maintain better control without putting excessive strain on the arm. This makes it particularly suitable for beginners and recreational users who are still building technique and consistency on the court. The oversized head design plays a major role in enhancing performance by providing a larger sweet spot. This increases the chances of making clean contact with the ball, even on off-center hits, resulting in better accuracy and fewer mishits. For players who are still refining their timing, this added forgiveness helps boost confidence and encourages more consistent play during rallies. Built using nano-titanium technology, the frame offers a strong yet lightweight structure that balances durability with comfort. It maintains stability during impact while still being flexible enough to absorb vibrations, reducing strain and improving overall feel. The O-beam construction further contributes to maneuverability, allowing smoother swings and better handling, especially for players with moderate swing speeds. Its headlight balance enhances control, particularly during net play and quick exchanges. This design helps players position the racket more easily, making volleys and defensive shots feel more stable and precise. Being pre-strung from the factory, it is ready to use immediately, removing the need for additional setup and making it convenient for those just starting out. Overall, it offers a well-rounded combination of comfort, forgiveness, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for players looking to build their skills while enjoying a smooth and controlled playing experience. Pros: lightweight feel, large sweet spot, easy control, ready play. Cons: low power, basic design. Number 4. Wilson Essence Tennis Racket. Created to make the learning process smoother and more enjoyable, this racket offers a beginner-friendly design that focuses on comfort, control, and easy power. Its lightweight frame allows for effortless swings, helping new players develop proper technique without feeling strain or fatigue. The balance between weight and durability ensures that it feels stable during play while still being easy to handle for those who are just starting out. The oversized head design significantly improves forgiveness, giving players a larger sweet spot to work with. This makes it easier to connect with the ball even on off-center hits, resulting in more consistent shots and improved confidence during rallies. For beginners, this added margin of error plays a crucial role in building rhythm and control over time. Constructed with air-light alloy, the frame offers a combination of strength and lightweight performance. This material helps maintain durability while ensuring that the racket remains easy to maneuver. The added length provides extended reach, allowing players to cover more of the court and return shots that might otherwise be difficult to reach. This feature is particularly helpful when learning positioning and movement. The headlight balance enhances control, making it easier to manage volleys and maintain stability during swings. It gives players better handling at the net and improves overall shot placement. The inclusion of a bumper guard adds protection to the frame, helping extend its lifespan by reducing damage from accidental contact with the ground or other surfaces. Pre-strung and ready to use, it removes the need for any additional setup, making it a convenient choice for beginners eager to start playing right away. Overall, it provides a reliable and comfortable introduction to tennis, combining ease of use with features that support skill development. Pros: lightweight frame, large sweet spot, easy power, durable build. Cons: basic control, limited advanced. Number 3. Alpsport 12K Tennis Racket. Built to offer a solid blend of strength, control, and long-term reliability, this racket is designed for players who want consistent performance during both training and competitive play. Constructed with high-strength carbon fiber, it provides a durable frame that can handle repeated impact while maintaining structural integrity over time. This makes it a dependable choice for players who practice regularly and need equipment that can keep up with their intensity. Its lightweight design allows for smooth and controlled swings, helping players generate speed without sacrificing stability. The balanced weight distribution ensures that the racket feels steady during contact, giving players better control over shot placement while still delivering enough power for effective ground strokes and serves. This balance makes it suitable for a wide range of playing styles, whether focusing on controlled rallies or more aggressive shots. The frame is engineered to absorb and distribute impact efficiently, reducing unwanted vibrations and improving overall comfort during play. This helps minimize strain on the arm, especially during longer sessions, making it a practical option for both intermediate and advancing players. The design supports consistent performance across different types of shots, from baseline rallies to net play. Included accessories, such as a carrying bag and pre-installed string, add convenience, allowing players to start using the racket immediately without additional setup. The bag also makes transportation and storage easier, protecting the racket from damage when not in use. Its overall construction is intended to last for years, providing a reliable experience with minimal maintenance. With a well-balanced structure and durable build quality, it delivers a dependable and comfortable playing experience. It is an excellent choice for players who want a combination of control, stability, and longevity in a single racket. Pros: durable build, balanced weight, comfortable feel, complete set. Cons: average power, slightly heavy. Number 2. Kawasaki KD1 tennis racket. Designed as a complete and accessible package for players stepping into the game, this racket set offers a balanced mix of control, comfort, and durability. With a moderately lightweight frame around 290 grams, it provides a stable yet manageable feel that supports both beginners and intermediate players. The weight allows for controlled swings while still offering enough mass to generate decent power, making it suitable for training sessions and casual matches alike. The 104 square inch head size plays a key role in enhancing forgiveness, giving players a larger sweet spot for more consistent contact with the ball. This helps reduce errors on off-center hits and builds confidence during rallies, especially for those still refining their technique. The string pattern further supports spin potential and control, allowing players to experiment with different shot styles as they improve their skills. Constructed using a combination of carbon and aluminum, the frame delivers a good balance between strength and flexibility. This hybrid material design ensures durability while maintaining a comfortable feel during impact. It also helps absorb vibrations, reducing strain on the arm and making longer practice sessions more enjoyable. The slightly head-heavy balance contributes to stronger baseline shots, allowing players to generate more depth and power with less effort. Its ergonomic grip size ensures a comfortable hold, giving players better control during swings and quick adjustments during rallies. The standard length supports natural movement and reach, making it easier to cover the court effectively. As a set, it provides added convenience for players who want a ready-to-use solution without needing to purchase additional accessories separately. Overall, it offers a reliable and user-friendly experience with a focus on comfort, control, and versatility. It is a great option for those looking to develop their game with a dependable racket set that supports steady improvement. Pros: balanced performance, large sweet spot, durable build, comfortable grip. Cons: moderate power. Number 1 and the winner is Oppum Pro-500 tennis racket. Perfect for players looking to start or upgrade their game with a complete and user-friendly setup, this racket set delivers comfort, convenience, and reliable performance in one package. Designed with beginners and intermediate players in mind, it provides an easy-to-handle experience that helps improve consistency and confidence during every match. The lightweight frame ensures smooth swings, allowing players to react quickly and maintain control without putting unnecessary strain on the arm. A key highlight is its oversized head design, which creates a large sweet spot that improves shot accuracy even on off-center hits. This added forgiveness makes it easier to keep the ball in play, helping players develop better timing and technique. It also contributes to effortless power, allowing users to generate decent shot strength without needing advanced skills or excessive force. The frame is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, offering a good balance between durability and lightweight performance. This ensures the racket remains stable during impact while still being easy to maneuver. Built-in vibration-dampening fibers further enhance comfort by reducing shock during contact, making it especially suitable for players who are concerned about arm fatigue or discomfort during extended play. This set stands out by including everything needed to get started right away. With 2 pre-strung rackets, a convenient carry bag, tennis balls, and extra grips, it is ideal for practice sessions, casual matches, or playing with a partner. The thoughtful design and included accessories eliminate the need for additional purchases, making it a practical and cost-effective option. Overall, it offers a comfortable and forgiving playing experience combined with strong value through its complete package. It is a great choice for those who want an easy entry into tennis with reliable equipment that supports learning and enjoyment. Pros: complete set, large sweet spot, arm-friendly, lightweight frame. Cons: basic power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.